Hey guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for channel Fitmotech, and today's video we are going to unbox a tool. This is a Black & Decker hot air gun or hot air blower. So this is from Amazon. I just purchased it for 1187. The links are available in the description box below. So let's first unpack it. So I just thought that I need this device for a small project on my mouse. So this is the actual package. This is the 1800 watt Black & Decker hot air gun. It's a dual temperature heat gun. So we have certain uses because of this. It's a home utility device. Stripping paint and varnish, loosening rusted nuts and bolts by deforming the shape, I think most probably, and towing pipes. Towing pipes means for attaching pipes. Also said that multiple heat settings from 400 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius for variety of applications. You have built-in stand so that you can make it to stand like this to let it cool down. So here are some specifications which they have given it. So you have two switches to control your stages, and the total power consumed is 1800 watts. And the temperature is from 400 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. The airflow is 550 to 750 liters per minute. So these are certain specifications, and here you have the model number. But here they have given it 6 months warranty. So you need to refer some conditions for the warranty. So let's unpack it. You get the actual product, and you get authorized service centers and the warranty card over here, and you will get the invoice from Amazon. So don't worry guys, you can just use the invoice with this warranty card, and you can apply for warranty purpose if within 6 months of usage, because these things are reliable, I know it, but even though that, here is the actual manual guys, which will help you to refer if you are new to tools. So let's take a close look at the product. I think this is the vent where you blowing the hot air, and you have the inlet ports, normal air to enter, and I think there will be heating coil inside. Here are some specifications which you can just find it out. So this is actually made for Indian purpose. So this is a European port, EU port. The quality is good. It's a normal thick cable, it's not a braided cable, so that be careful. If you have any cuts, then please do wrap it off, but the standard is good. You also get this handle with some grips in the side. They are emmed grips, and you get this dual stage switch. Which I said it before. So this switch, you can just set it to one mode and the other mode for extreme purpose. The one is the normal one with I think you can just refer it over here. With the 400 degrees Celsius, you just get this first mode, and the second mode is that you get 550 degrees Celsius with a different type of airflow, with a higher airflow. The quality of the switch is good. You get this resting one, so that you can just make your device stand like this. So as they have mentioned over here, for the cool down you just need to place it like this. So after using it, it will be too hot, so don't touch this part. You can only use this part for touching purpose. If you touch this, then your hand will be burnt. Now I think I previously used a blower, and it will take 10 minutes for it to fully cool down, and after that you can just store it in your toolkit. So now I am just going to test it out on my mouse. Now you may ask why mouse, because I'm just customizing my mouse to reduce its weight. There is a small hidden weight inside, so I just need to remove it. For that, the screws are underneath the mouse feet. Now let's hot blow the equipment, and I'll just show you. So now without any residue, we are able to remove this. Now we can just rest this for cool down. I have just connected it to the power, and I have just opened this and kept it like this. so that it can cool down like this if we have used it for a long period of time. So it's in a home condition, so that I'm going to test it for a short period of time. So this is for the number 1 is the slower speed and the lower temperature. So I think it's 400 degrees Celsius when you turn this on, and I most probably don't recommend it in the house conditions. Take it to your tool room and use it, and where it goes at a temperature of about 550 degrees Celsius. So in the second mode, it is blowing at the temperature of about 550 degrees Celsius. But after use, I just recommend you to keep it like this, be like most probably like this. You just need to pull it down, and you just need to place it like this. This tool is most probably useful for people who wants to use this for a long period of time, because most of the people just need for a short. For me also, I just need to use it to make a new windshield for my bike, because I used a plexiglass and I bent it with the help of this blower, because it's easy to flex a plexiglass. Plexiglass means it just you can just find it on all the windshields of the bike like Activa and everything. You can just for that I will just use it, and in most of the sticker shops you can just find these blowers. So I think that this video would have been helpful for you to know about this tool from Black & Decker. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and this is Vignesh signing off by saying live your passion.